Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this session we will try to understand the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is also known as a reproductive cycle. It is a cyclic events starting from one menstruation till the next during reproductive period. Reproductive period means puberty to menopause of a woman's life. Menstrual cycle duration is 28 or 29 days. Every 28 or 29 days the menstrual cycle takes place in the female. So that is why it is called, it occurs in a cyclic manner. That is why it is called menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle not only seen in the human being, in the females, it is also seen in the other primates like monkeys, gorilla, orangutan, like other animals which are called primates. In the primates we can observe the menstrual cycle. This menstrual cycle, generally in the menstrual cycle we can observe the changes in two places. One is in the ovary and another one is in the uterus. So that is why in the menstrual cycle we can observe the ovarian cycle and uterine cycle. So two types of cycles we can observe. Means in the ovary we can observe the changes, and as well as in the uterus also we can observe the changes. So these are called events of menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle, there are four phases in the menstrual cycle. One is the menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase, secretory phase. Menstrual phase 1 to 5 days period of time. Look at this diagram and try to understand. 1 to 5 days period is called menstruation, and 5 to 13 days period is called proliferative phase or follicular phase, and 14th day is the ovulatory phase, and 15 to 28 days is the secretory or luteal phase. Right, let's try to understand one by one very clearly. 1 to 5th day, the cycle starts with the menstrual flow, means bleeding. Bleeding takes place in 1 to 5 days. It lasts 3 to 5 days. Menstruation occurs if released ovum is not fertilized. When the ovum is not fertilized, then only the menstruation takes place. Otherwise, menstruation not occurs. It results in the breakdown of endometrial lining and uterine blood vessels that comes out through the vagina. What happens in the menstruation? Breakdown of endometrial lining. Endometrial layer will be broken down, and uterine blood vessels also ruptured. Then blood and endometrial layer comes out through the vagina. In some people, this menstrual cycle, sometimes lack of menstrual cycle is caused due to the stress and due to the poor health conditions, etc. But generally, in the married people, we can observe the lack of menstruation. It indicates what? It indicates pregnancy. After 5 to 13th day, this phase is called what? Follicular or proliferative phase. It starts from 5th day after menstruation and completed within 8 to 12 days. In this phase, what happens? Gonadotrophins from pituitary occurs. The action of gonadotrophins from pituitary occurs. Gonadotrophins means follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. These are released from the anterior pituitary, and these hormones action we can observe in the follicular phase. What happens? First, this follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the follicles. Look at this diagram and try to understand. These are the primary ovarian follicles. These primary ovarian follicles are growing like secondary ovarian follicles, then tertiary ovarian follicles, then Graafian follicle. This is a complete matured Graafian follicle. So development of primary follicles into Graafian follicle takes place because of these follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, because of this follicle stimulating hormone, what happens? Follicles will get mature. Next, secretion of estrogens by Graafian follicles. When these follicles they mature like Graafian follicles, then what happens? They release these from this Graafian follicle, estrogens hormones will be released. Next, what is the function of estrogen? Estrogens stimulate proliferation of ruptured uterine. Uterine, generally, when the ovum is not fertilized, then what happens? Uterine wall will be ruptured, endometrium layer will be ruptured, right? So, but in the between the 6th day to this 15th day time, what happening? Proliferation of ruptured uterine means the growth of the ruptured uterine we can observe. Endometrium and mucous lining of the oviduct and vagina means proliferation, growth we can observe because of the estrogens. Development of secondary sexual characters also because in the females because of the estrogens, and suppression of follicle stimulating secretion. Follicle stimulator hormone is released from the anterior pituitary, right? So because of the follicle stimulating hormone, what happening? Primary follicles are maturing like Graafian follicles. Primary follicles are maturing like Graafian follicles. But when primary follicles mature like Graafian follicles, there is no need of a follicle stimulating hormone, right? At the time of ovulation. So already, if the matured Graafian follicles not require the follicle stimulating hormone. So that is why what should happen? Suppression of FSH should take place. This suppression of FSH, how the suppression of FSH takes place? Because of the estrogens. Okay, secretion of luteinizing hormone. And what happens because of the follicle stimulating estrogens? Luteinizing hormone, it stimulates the anterior pituitary, means estrogens also give the signals to the pituitary glands to release the luteinizing hormone. LH is also released. Now 14th day what happens? 14th day generally LH and FSH after 14th day, no need of requirement of FSH, right? So 14th day LH and FSH, these two hormones, they attain their peak level, means they release it highest in the amount, so level in the middle of the cycle. So rapid secretion of LH, this rapid secretion of LH, when it gets peak, when it attains its peak level, then it is called LH. LH when attains peak level, then it is called what? LH surge. LH surge induces what? Rupture of Graafian follicle. Look at this diagram. Graafian follicle is there. This is the matured Graafian follicle releasing the egg cell. Okay, so LH, when 14th day what happens? LH reaches the maximum level, then Graafian follicle ruptures and releases egg cell, secondary oocyte, which is called ovulation. Means 14th day what happens? Ovulation takes place because of these hormones. Now last phase, secretory phase or luteal phase, right? After ovulation, Graafian follicle is transformed into a yellow endocrine mass called corpus luteum. Look at this. So here Graafian follicle ruptured, released the egg cell. Then after ovulation is the third step. Next, fourth step, what? Secretory phase or luteal phase. In the secretory phase or luteal phase, what happens? So this Graafian follicle released already secondary oocyte. So that is why it turns like what? It turns like a corpus luteum, yellow color body, right? This corpus luteum releases hormone progesterone. Progesterone released from the corpus luteum. So now, what is the function of progesterone? Progesterone makes the endometrium maximum vascular, thick and soft. When this progesterone releases, then what happens here? Endometrium layer starts thickening. Okay, so endometrium layer starts thickening. Thus the uterus gets ready for implantation. If the ovum is fertilized, then if zygote comes, then it receives the fertilized zygote, and the zygote gets implanted in the uterus wall. So that is why to receive the zygote, this endometrium maximum vascular, thick and soft. Okay, it means progesterone make the endometrium layer maximum vascular, thick and soft to implant the zygote and inhibit the FSH secretion to prevent development of secondary ovarian follicle. Already one follicle matured and ruptured, released the ovum. So that is why now no need of FSH immediately, right? So that is why FSH secretion also inhibited after 14th day. What happens? FSH secretion also inhibited because of what? Progesterone only. Okay, right. Now if fertilization does not occur, corpus luteum degenerates. This corpus luteum, if ovulation taken place, fertilization not taken place, then what happens? This corpus luteum degenerates and it causes disintegration of this corpus luteum degenerates, and also in the uterus wall, this endometrium layer also ruptures. Okay, this endometrium layer also ruptures. It leads to menstruation cycle, right? So leads to next menstruation and new cycle. 14th to 28 days in this time period during pregnancy, if the fertilized ovum implanted during pregnancy, what happens? All events of the menstrual cycle will be stopped and there is no menstruation. If the ovum fertilized, if ovum released 14th day and if it is fertilized, then what happens? Pregnancy will take place. Pregnancy occur in the during the pregnancy. What happens? Menstrual cycle means the thickening of the rupturing of the endometrium layer and releasing the blood. Okay, all these will be stopped. Means menstrual cycle will be stopped during pregnancy. Okay, so this phase is called secretory or luteal phase. Next, overall changes. What happened in the menstrual cycle? Let us try to understand. Means what is menarche? The first menstruation. during puberty is called menarche, and the stopping of menstrual cycle at about 50 years age is called menopause. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.